Yo, hello. That's my channel intro. Yo, hi. Hello. Okay. That's it. Hello, Astro Bengali. How are you? We're back after so many days. I missed you all. I missed streaming and all. Okay, so today I don't think I have any plan for this stream as usual. I'm just online. Today we are going to build something. I don't know what, but we will surely. Light. Change these glasses. And अरे okay, hope you guys can hear me out. Hope you guys can check audio and video, please. Wait, let me check first. Hello. Hello. I'm checking audio. Something is wrong here, I feel. I think think I should. I think I need to add some filters here. You guys want to see what I'm doing here? Filters. Yo. Hello, Shubdeep. We are back, and today I need your help because I don't know what to build. I have some components, and I will tell you what components I have right now, and we will build something together. And I'm free tonight. Uh, Again. Build a drone, please. Bro, right now I don't have all the components required for drone. I will hit some milestone and then I will surely build a drone. Wait, let me tell you what components I have. Uh, where is display capture? Okay, let's start. So today I will list all the components and you guys tell me what should I build. And check this out. I got Batman on my mic. Ignore my haircut. Ignore my goopy haircut. I'm looking so chopped. Okay, here we have build RC tank with caterpillar wheels. Right now I can build RC vehicle because I don't have caterpillar tracks right now, but I can 3D print them. Let me show you my recent 3D print designed by my friend. This is for my product called Zozo. You guys heard about Zozo? I have uploaded a video about Zozo. I can show you real quick if you want. So this is for Zozo, small 3D print. I'll show you what is Zozo after some time. But before that, let me tell you what components I have. ESP8266, ESP32, ESP30, ESP30, AI VCZ, AI Thinker voice module. Rounded and make it short. Okay. Actually, we tried in design, but it felt like it's not that cute. So we designed this and then we asked some people. They said it's cool. Yeah, ears look pretty big. थोड़े छोटे करने पड़ेंगे. कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़े दिख रहे. Yes. I think I should show you previous designs. You'd laugh. Okay, let's keep this aside or just here, and I will tell you what component. Not that much. I think I should buy some new stuff. I have this little display out. I have this game. Two MPU 6050 joysticks, a small lithium polymer battery, servo motors, ultrasonic sensors, gas sensors, relays, modules. What else we have here? This tiny exhaust fan. Along with this, I have DF players, two wheel balance robot. Let's try. Lasers, motion sensor, touch sensor, multiple gas sensors, servo motors, soil moisture sensor, RTC clock center, clock sensor, what we call it. Uh, Display, two or three. Then we have sound sensors and all. 16 by 2 Pro is the Zozo touch sensitive. So you, I build it. Right now it's not touch sensitive, but I got some touch sensors, small touch sensors. I am thinking of adding two touch sensors. I have these touch sensors. I built my previous one in hurry when I was at home. I had no access to all my components. I wasn't present here. So I have these touch sensors and I'm thinking to add them. I have a lot of displays. SSD 1306 OLED display. Then I have multiple Wemos D1 mini LED, red colored LED, red, blue and green LEDs. I have transistors and all that type of LDR. Bro, I seen a reel. I saw one reel where that guy, I don't remember their name. Uh, they used MPU 6050 gyroscope like this right here, and he was controlling something. I don't remember. I watched that very long ago, and he calibrated this sensor MPU 6050. He attached it to his glasses, and he was controlling some, I don't remember what was that. Right, Nvidia Jetson. No, bro, I never tried, but I heard that Nvidia Jetson is powerful, and instead of using Raspberry Pi for your like big projects like something AI related or something like that, instead of using Raspberry Pi, you better go with Jetson Nano. Yes, you need advanced knowledge. That's for sure. You need advanced knowledge for Nvidia Jetson Nano because Raspberry Pi is also not that easy, and Jetson Nano is very new. So I don't think there are a lot of tutorials about Jetson Nano. First, yeah, get some knowledge about that. I know some people who use Jetson Nano. I'm connected on them on LinkedIn and Instagram. Okay, then I have multiple microcontrollers. Okay, should we build what? I'll tell you. You guys watched Love Death Robot? It's a web series, Netflix series about robots or something. I never watched it, but I have watched. I'll show you. Death Robot.
Only one who can keep this ship on.
Okay, so the thing is, I haven't watched this, but there is a robot, pyramid type robot. All season, all episodes. Have you watched that? So I'm thinking of building that pyramid robot. This one, Siri robot from. Give me review of that, please. So I'm thinking of building that DIY version, not that advanced, but DIY version just for fun. It will rotate.
सारे वर्ल्ड का इंस्पेक्शन कर रहे होते हैं। ये तीनों रोबोट फ्यूजन बैटरी पर चल रहे होते हैं और बहुत ही हाईटेक एआई को सपोर्ट करते हैं। एक बास्केटबॉल ग्राउंड में यह तीनों रोबोट पहुंचते हैं, जहां दो रोबोट को दो लाश मिलती है और तीसरा रोबोट एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ढूंढ निकालता है। यह रोबोट बाकी
I
रोबोट
have I have watched this scene. Scorpion robot from this series or the Scorpion robot. That looks like something out of Transformer movie. Bro, this thing looks super complicated and dangerous at the same time. You remember that robot from Transformer? Similar to this robot. Okay, so I'm thinking to build that. Uh, got it, I guess. So I have all this. Yes, yes, that one in which kill rats with it. Yeah, there are some cool robots in Transformer. I think I haven't watched the recent Transformer, the last part, most recent one. Okay, let's build. I have all these components. I have ESP32 cam. Okay. Uh, Also I had another idea, something like Zozo, but how do I explain it? Wait. So a robotic arm mounted on wall in front of you, and a display and camera to it, and it will track your motion, position, or whatever you say, your voice. Basically a assistant, but a robotic arm. But it's not really arm. Transformer become worse day by day movies. I watched three or four only. Okay, so hear me out. A robotic arm mounted to your wall. Like I have this setup. I have Doraemon, Harry Potter, Guardians of Galaxy, Spider Man, Iron Man, Kanye West, Juice World, and all these rappers. Raspberry Pi and Dr. Doop and Wally. Like I have posters in front of me. So instead of poster, along with these posters, I'm thinking of building a robotic arm, and it will have a camera. I have ESP32 cam or similar something like camera or some microcontroller or computer, and it will track my motion, position. Do you have any idea about how to start with swarms? Drone swarms? No, bro. I can't say enough lot about drones because, and I don't have any experience with drones. If I be honest, I have club. We have club in our college called Garuda Club where they teach you about drones and all, but I'm not part of it, so I don't have that much knowledge. But I have handled some drones for very little time. That's it. Okay, so what I was saying is robotic arm mounted on your wall. It has a camera, microphone, and it can detect your motion, position, your mood. It can hear your voice. Basically, a AI, not really AI. Basically, a robot assistant, just like this Zozo thing, which is super easy, and uh, it will just move like a fun project. My latest upload. How's the video quality? Let me check. Bro, I like to do such sessions. How to program ESP? Which one? How to program ESP32 cam? This video? Wait, I'll share screen. Are you talking about this one? Bro, is your channel monetized? Do you get paid? You earn anything? Or you just freelancer like me?
Or like me, you have probably spent hours staring at the screen, seeing the same red message pop up again and again. It's frustrating and honestly, it's enough to make you throw a whole project across the room. We have all been there. The typical setup involves a jumble of wires, a breadboard, and a whole lot of hopes that you have connected everything right. And even when you think you have, the upload still fails. It's a huge dancing and a major headache. But what if there was a simple solution, a way to bypass all the wiring hassle and get your code uploaded direct without a single error? This little device is the ESP32CAM MB
I
Micro
have this
USB
thing.
programmer, and it's a total
I have three of them, I guess. I have three of them. I'm flexing. I have three of them. Okay. Yeah, and this module is really cool. Like this shield programming. What we call that? Bootloader, or I don't know. I think we called it shield or something like that. It's cool.
game changer. It's literally
Yeah,
as
it's
simple
really
as you
really easy.
take your ESP32K module and you mount it directly into the programmer. No wires, no breadboard, no guessing games. It's a clean direct connection that just works. Once it's
Yeah,
together, you
I had that different one. That red one, FTDI module. FTDI to TTL, or what we call it, USB converter.
just plug the whole
But
thing into
that
the
one
upload
sucks.
USB port.
This one
The
is super
programmer
easy.
handles making all the frustrating upload a perfect upload, zero errors. This it is the easiest way to program ESP32K
Yeah,
without
I tried
any of the
this.
user headache.
Okay, I'll rate your video. Video quality is super cool, to be honest with you. Editing is cool. You explained it really good. What's your most popular video? Okay. I don't want copyright. Cover the box with paper in this way. Okay. Make a hole. This thing really works. So you see the inverted image, right? I think I had learned this in school, but I'm dumb as fuck, so I don't remember it. You got 463k views. My most popular is like 45. That's really cool number, bro. Okay, let's get back to building this thing. Soham, hello. How are you? Welcome back to the stream after a long time. Actually, I should start streaming regularly, but somehow I end up not streaming or getting busy with some other things. Okay, project update. I got I I have to build something, a rover, six-wheeled or four-wheeled rover with robotic arm, but not like the previous one I built. This time I'm serious with it because it's my client's project, and it will be gesture controlled along with IoT control. I will add some sensors and ESP32 cam. Add more features. It's kinda interesting. I liked it. Okay, so right now I have features. Can display GI ups. I want to explain all these details. Is a big audience. Like at least I need 15 people watching me live. Where do you get clients? Mouth marketing, bro. Personality. The way I am. Like, and I don't share that much. Uh, for IoT projects. Yeah. Mouth marketing. Uh, network. My network is really big. I think my network is really good, and that's it. I don't post it. uh, I started talking about my freelancing stuff very recently on my channel. I never shared it on my YouTube, not on my official Insta, on my private ID where all my college friends are. They follow me. I have shared there, but I never shared this to my YouTube audience or people who watch me. So yeah, network, that's it. Just few minutes ago, here on this chair, my junior was sitting. He's from first year, and he met him through his roommate, who is my good friend from mechanical. And I linked up with this guy, this junior, and we are cool now. I shared him my details. Are they students or someone else? Both. Students from my college, students from another college. College is in 50-kilometer radius. Yeah, 50 kilometers. College is in between 50-kilometer radius, and I have sold some projects out of my district. I sent them through someone to Mumbai VJTI. Yeah, 2 3 times. I have built and sold final year projects 3 times, and this is my fourth time building a final year project. I consulted a company. Do they pay good? I'm also thinking of that. Depends on how you work, how you present your project to them, and how they project their. Okay, they don't have to, like, how do I explain this? It's on you. How do you sell them? I built some stupid shit. You guys know I'm not that good with all these things. Like, I'm good, but I'm not that great. But somehow I end up getting paid enough. Like, not that enough. If you check, let me show you. No, I don't want to take shots on anyone, but there are some websites, they are charging super high amount and people are paying them very easy. Like, you build something like this. Let me show you. Okay, so this is a robot, a normal bot, RC, remote controlled what I used NRF24. You guys know the controller. What do you think? What can be the maximum selling price of this project? Tell me. I don't want to take shots on anyone because it's business, bro. Someday I will charge more than them. I don't want anyone to criticize me. That's it. If you want to start that thing, just increase your network, connect to people offline. I don't do anything online. 2.5k, yeah. But in reality, they sell such things to more than 5,000, 4 to 5,000. What they do is they just take at Mega 328p crystal like Arduino, but they don't use Arduino board. They just mount it on a PCB and they use similar stuff. They don't even use like all this NRF and like good quality stuff, and they build it and they sell it to you. Let me check and I'll tell you the price. I will not take uh shots on it. Right now I'm going to work on a project for client, like I said, a rover. That rover, not really rover, a robotic arm, they are selling it for more than 25k. uh Minimum was around 20k, a normal robotic arm for 20k. So it depends, but they deliver you home, they give you all the paperwork and all. That's really good. Still sometimes I feel like these things are like overpriced for engineering students, and what I do is I do it for very cheap, uh, very cheaper than offline market. I have studied the offline market here where I live, and I found out that they are charging super high amount for very easy and cheap projects. So I don't feel right. I make money out of students, but still, bro, charging and overcharging, these two are different things. If I'm not providing that much value, I don't charge them. Sometimes I build, I tell them like this will cost 5,000, and I build something and it goes stupid, something goes wrong. So I don't charge them 5,000. I give them 500 or 600 or some whatever the amount is. I give them return. Like, okay, bro, I promised you to build this thing, but it's not that cool, so I won't charge this. That's it, bro. That's how they keep coming back. So I do IoT, I do Arduino, and like all this IoT stuff. I do electronics, like mini projects with transistors and IC 555. Recently, I worked with some like big projects. That's it. Network. Right now, I'm thinking of going online, like website and all. But before that, it's just network in my college. You build something. The price of my human following robot car. Human following robot. So you used four of these motors, Arduino, two IR sensors. I have watched your video, and ultrasonic sensor. Will cost around like, yeah, 2,000 max, max 2,000 to 2.5k, just like Megamind said. Because I charge around that, and I'm happy with, bro. I'm happy with whatever I charge, and I realized how low I charge. So, what's the real price of your human following robot? Can you please tell me? I visited offline market so many times, and I just go there and I say, uh, how much is this? I want to build this thing. How much will you charge? And they say some like sky high price. I was like, bro, I'm not paying all that. And most of the times, juniors get scammed by all these. Like people in first year, we have competitions for first year, like capstone project and all, something like similar, like exhibitions and competitions, especially for first year students. So in 20, I built a robot in my school. No restrictions, so I used components were like 6 7k. And what was the robot like? What was the features and all? Rover, okay. So that I built a rover. And it costed me, okay. My project won first prize, and we spent around 2,000. Yeah, 2000, and we made and the first prize was around 3000 and trophy or something like that. So we got our money back with extra 30-40 rupees. We were 7 people, while some people spent around 4 to 5k on just components. Some of the store owners, bro, they charge extra money for assembly and all. Students don't know that it's very simple, easy. Okay, I should not I myself I build and sell stuff to students, but still, bro, overcharging is. Wait, let me show you my rover. Check this out. This is my rover. I built this 1 year ago. MG996 for each wheels. MG996 for wheels. 360 degree. That 361 or just normal. MG996 costs around 300 rupees. Pics on Insta. Okay. My rover, and today we will postmortem this rover. We will disassemble all these motors and stuff because just outdated. It has no life in it now. I removed all IMP components. Like had two ESP 8266. I removed them. It had a L2910 motor driver. There. We'll remove all those stuff. Robotic arm is broken. Yeah. Today our task is to break this thing. Let's start with it. Uh, Big project loading. Yeah, I'm working on a big project. Bro, I had a lot of content to post. I had a lot of I worked on more than 30 projects in 1 or 2 months. But I was so busy with it, I forgot about my YouTube channel. Last year. It happened last year. You can check my Insta highlights though. I used to post. And also the thing is, hello Virendra Dada, how are you? Also the thing is, you should not post client's project. That's what I feel. Like if I'm building something, I should not post it on my account because I'm selling it to them. I'm getting paid for it. So it's like stealing the rights. So I build a lot of projects for people, but I don't really post them. I feel if you are building, you should not post your client's project without their permission. I posted one though because it was really cool. It was worth it posting it. I posted it on LinkedIn. It was some medicine dispenser project. Okay, I'll keep all these components aside and then we will get back to the rover. We will disassemble that. How to code ESP32? It's very simple, bro. Just like any other microcontroller from that series, ESP8266, VMOS, D1 Mini, uh, just say Arduino Uno. Just you have to download some packages for ESP32. Packages like there is a link, or just you can just go here. I'll let me share screen. Okay, this is code of my upcoming big project. Just go here, search ESP32. Wait, ESP32 and download it. There are all the bots and libraries and sorry, it's library. Sent you on Insta. Wait, let me check on my Instagram. I don't have Instagram logged in my laptop. Okay, this thing is cool, bro. I'm building something like that. Check this out, gang. I will. My webcam is webcam is disconnected somehow. Okay, we back. Check this out. I hope you guys can see this. Fully 3D printed, I guess, with ESP32 cam, gas sensor, 4 servo motors for wheels. Bro, how was the performance of servo motors? Like using servo motors as wheels? Yeah, my Insta ID is there in description. I think. Yeah, my Insta ID is there. Or you can just search ideas by Suyash and you will find my. Okay, so just go here, search ESP32. That's it. Download ESP32. Upload this code. That's it, bro. That thing was damn powerful. Yeah, because I have worked with uh these servo motors MG995, MG996. They're really powerful, but what I experienced with them is you need proper power, like 5 or 6 volt in between, and you need like weight balance. I was building robotic arm. Something is going wrong, super wrong with. Okay, bro, I lost around 436 GB of my data with that SSD I was talking about. And I was chill, okay, I'll bring back that data, I will code again, and I was chill. But recently I realized that I lost a lot of important things with that SSD. All my upcoming projects, which I just finished coding and all, and I was getting to hardware, but then I lost all codes. So the best thing I did was asking ChatGPT for help. Like I had all codes in my ChatGPT's interaction. That really helped. Almost all codes, but it was really hard to find all of them, each of these codes. Cache detection, path following, GPS waypoint navigation, object detection, path mapping, bro. Then it's okay for spending 6 7K easily, bro. Bro, I'm looking so chopped with this goopy hairstyle. Go about anything right now. I just use my bandana. I built this rover for 50 marks in fourth semester. Not really fourth, in my third semester. So I built this 1 year ago, and I got like 44 marks, and I was the one who got highest. Like I was the topper for that subject. Okay, you might see me doing goopy stuff in my upcoming streams, but that's who I am. That's how I am. So this is our rover. That project was fine. Mm, did you buy it? Yeah, same happens with me, but I tell them, bro, I sell. If you need anything, just call me. Bro, if you want to start IoT, freelancing in IoT, just visit some engineering colleges. By the way, where do you live? Bro, I am from Bihar at India Nepal border. Currently, you are in 12th. Then study hard, bro. Study hard. I know it sounds. Everyone is telling you study hard, but yeah, give 1 year, find a good college. It's not really on college, it's on you, but still find a good college. Ring light. So, this is our rover, and today we are going to break this thing, take all these parts apart. This is my gripper DIY. Need all these servo motors and all. So, I also thought to install rocker woggy mechanism. There was lack of time. Yeah, it's cool. We tested it, but as you can see, I used acrylic foam board, which is very cheap and not that sturdy. It wasn't that much good. But this time I'm going to use PVC pipes because this time it's final year project. A rover, IoT based rover. Okay, let's start. I have a lot of components. Actually, my friends paid for this project. Not full, but most of the payment was done by my friends. And I was the one who built this whole thing. And this is the PCB, not even PCB, bro. Use thick glass. Yeah, I have seen that glass one. It's like acrylic, right? Acrylic some. I'm not sure if I should break this, take all these components apart or not. It's been more than 1 year. It's just up there, stopped. Okay. Our professor said, keep this as it is. I need this over. This project is really cool. When the NAC committee comes to college, I want you all to present it. Okay. And I will rebuild this. This wasn't the first time. Like, we built it, then we broke it somehow, then we built it again to show that committee, some NAC committee or something. Bro, that's the problem with colleges, like tier 3 colleges. Whatever I build, it's new for them. So it's like when you are smartest in the room, you are in the wrong room. That type of scene with me. But I can't really blame anyone because everyone has way different path. It's really thin. Just cut these wires. My friends are in the room, they are laughing so hard. Do you guys have any idea what should we do with these components? Like we have ESP8266, 32s, a lot of DC motors, have motor drivers. Like we can build a bot, but what kind of bot? I think as I have told you that I'm going to build a, what we call that, stream bot. I named it stream bot because I think I'm the first, not really first. Donate me. Sure. Once I reach some milestone, 5,000 subscribers or something like that, once I get monetized, I'm going to start giveaways, bro. We need to bring back giveaways. If you using it from long ago, then you might notice that there are no giveaways nowadays. People used to do giveaways back in 2016, 17, a lot of giveaways. Like I'm giving away this thing to the best comment below this video, something like that. Nowadays, I don't see anything like that. Bro, I feel like YouTube Shorts ruined everything for me. I was number one hater of these short form platforms. But right now, if you want to sustain on the social media thing, you have no option than using vertical short form content. OG YouTube was better. I'm not that old user, but still I started using regularly after 2015-16. But I spent a lot of my time on YouTube. I wasn't active, like I had no account on Instagram or anything. So, Hum, are you there? If you are still watching, just tell us about your project's cost. Hey, this is. Oh, I remember story behind this. This was one problematic wheel, so we just added that permanent glue here. I have any idea how to remove it? The project you were talking about, big project loading. Guess the price of my human following robot car. Yeah, I'm talking about that project. Okay, so we got six DC motors on top of this project. Okay, let's convert this into normal rover. It will be fun. And I will take this campus just to flex on juniors. Juniors are dumb. 6k for that human following robot. Guys, what do you think? 6k for a human following robot? Like, that's cool, but still, 6k is very big amount. Can spend around, like, okay, if you go offline, you will get one of these motors for 70 rupees. That's what I know. And this for 30. So 100 rupees for each motor and wheel set. So there are four wheels, four motors. So be around 500 rupees. Motor driver for 250, 750. Then Arduino and all. Ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor for 30 rupees, 50 rupees for one, 100 rupees. It will cost around maximum 2 to 2.5k, bro. That's it. 6k is too much. I do like third year projects for lot of dust here. Okay, so the plan is to remove all these extra legs, rocker boogie. Then because of 3D model, yeah, 3D models are costly. I asked rate in our college for 3D printing, and they said 10 rupees for each gram. And the Zozo print we have seen here for 20 25 grams. So yeah, your project is big. It will cost around how much for the 3D print? Like as I said, in our college it's 10 rupees for 1 gram. I don't really understand. So you can get filament 1 kg for 700 rupees. I paid 6 rupees per gram. Okay. So and how much was the total weight your project? I think for 25 grams. So I think your project will be around 300, 200 to 300 grams. Yeah, it might cost. Good night, Sanket. How are you? You guys want to see who's Sanket? Show up on stream, bro. Here is my friend Sanket. He's from mechanical. He's a senior. 6 rupees per gram. 200 to 250. Sanket Madhav. 200 to 250 grams. So you paid around 2000 rupees. Bro, I want to buy a 3D printer. Okay, I will just cut off this the extra parts. I need to get more consistent with my streaming. Should I cut or should I keep it as it is? Yo, if you are watching this, tell me, should I cut off these extra legs here? Should I cut off and just attach motors, or should I keep them? If I keep them, but it will not be that strong, so I'll just cut them off. Keep them. Okay, I'm thinking of keeping them, but again, bro, it was a rover if you are watching from the start, and it was not that strong and sturdy. As you can see, very thin, and I don't think it will handle the load of 3 lithium-ion batteries, motor driver. Also, check this out. You can the bent here again bent. So better cut them off. How to cut them off? Postmortem is going on. Yeah, chitty experiment. How to pronounce it? Heat experiment? Hate experiment? Experiment? Okay, that's it. Here we got chassis for our new project. And I think I can fit all the required components here. Can I communicate for? Yes, yes, you can. You can meet me in person whenever I come to my hometown. I'm your new subscriber. Thank you so much, HCT Experiment. I will subscribe you too. Just remind me after some time after getting bored with this. We will check your videos and all if you are making. So you can call me anytime you need. Instead of calling, you can just message me on Instagram, or you can just meet me if you are in town at the same time when I'm in town. That was close. That was close. I was about to cut off my finger. Last time when I did something crazy, yeah, I chopped the part of my went right. So I chopped my nail, whole nail. I have, yeah, I have video of that, and it wasn't painful at that time, but after like 5 or 4 minutes, it was painful. I felt I did something really wrong. I have all these all that marks on my hands. marks from glue gun, soldering iron, cutter, some marks due to sparks and current and all, electric shock marks. Cars. Okay, the sole purpose of building this thing is to just impress junior baddies. Then we have our new chassis. I just need to add some glue here. What do we call that? Super glue? Vetra. I think I chopped my finger again. Yeah. Again, bro. I'm used to it. Okay, let's add some. Bro, how to focus this camera? By the way, how's my streaming setup? I use my old Redmi Note 10 as a camera, secondary camera. This one is Redmi Note 10, and I have a 720p webcam as a webcam. Bro, how to hide this chair? Okay, I'm adding some super glue here because I know the strength of this in more than 1 year. I don't think it's that much strong. Okay, while I do this, give me some suggestions. What should I build with it? We have this chassis, we have around 6 motors. We can use 4 of them, or if you want, we can use 6 of them. Then we have ESP32, 8266, Arduino. We have a lot of sensors, MPU 6050, servo motors, all that type of stuff. You guys know about it. We have DA player mini. So what if we build a robot, a normal simple robot? We will add a speaker there, and it will roam around in my college camp, and it will approach random people, and it will say, like, greet them, hello, hi, that type of stuff. What do you think about it? It will be controlled remotely through my RC controller or some ESP, IoT, MQTT. By the way, Soham, if you are watching this, what are you studying right now? I know you are doing diploma or something, but in which year? 3 years younger than me. Till your last year of diploma? Yo, uh, kind reminder. How many people are watching me? It says 7 here. I don't know how many people watching me. If you are watching me, make sure you hit like, subscribe, share, and just tell me that you are watching me, because I don't see a proper number here. It's showing 7 people. start focus on my 3D printing service from last few years, and you are right, in our area up to 10 rupees gram, so you can connect with me. 3 rupees, that's really right. That's cheap, helpful for me. I don't have a 3D printer of my own. Take my YouTube ads. I was thinking on Twitch also. Okay, this is ready. Someone took my glue gun and he's not returning it back. He's my friend though. Bro, I'm ready to help you if I need 3D printing. Yeah, I need your help obviously, bro. As you can see, if you have seen this Zozo thing I have out. This is Zozo. Bro, I really want to explain this thing. I want to flex this. I want to explain this Zozo in like to massive audience. For me, massive audience is like 20 people watching me live. Yeah, 20 people is big number for a streamer. Okay, so uh print around 25 grams. Yeah, 25. I printed it in, I got it printed somewhere. Can't really tell you that. Okay, so this is, what do you think? Do we connect motors here? I was thinking of using 6 motors, but yeah, 4 is okay. 4 motors are enough. Yo, this angle is really cool, but not that cool. I'll set up my camera real quick. Give me a minute. क्या बिल्ड कर रहे हो? अभी कुछ देर पहले मैंने एक मेरा पुराना रोवर ले लिया, जो कि मेरा कॉलेज का प्रोजेक्ट था लास्ट ने थर्ड सेम का। उसके बाद हम पूरा तोड़ दिया, डिमोलिश कर दिया, एंड मैं उससे मिला ये कैन बी अ गुड रोबोट चैसी, देन आर सम motors taking part in competitions I used to do, but nowadays I don't do. I don't get enough, but I do hackathons and all. Yeah, and say if there is a good competition and good preparation from my team, then for sure I like to participate. Okay, bot, robot, but we are not sure. I'm not sure what to be, like a bot, but what type. I recently in IIT Bombay Tech Fest and started building rover after finishing my mid sems. Bro, IIT Bombay, that's really cool. I got invited to IIT Bombay, but attended due to some, like I'm preparing for JE. I'm in 10th, so I can't attend. I got mails. I got Facebook message from some organizer from IIT Bombay that I had a group on Facebook with over 2000 members, and it was all about all these things. I was in ninth, or some organizers were member of my group. So they messaged me that we will give you this and that. We are inviting you to for IIT Bombay Tech Fest. I was dumb. I said I have to study. I have to study for my boards, and I fumbled, bro. I still regret. I still regret that decision. And when last time I was thinking, planning for IIT Bombay Tech Fest, like attending Tech Fest, our college came in between, just like the train in that meme, with end sem exam. That's really fucked up. Had two exams in 3 days, and those 3 days were IIT Bombay Tech Fest. That's it, bro. That's how college fucks me up. के hackathon में जाते हो, all type of hackathon, idea presentation. मुझे I don't know anything about like serious coding. I do all these type of stuff. Like it's not that hard, but I don't know web developing. I don't do all that. Uh, Most of the time I build something mechatronics. Not really yeah, mechatronics. Like hardware and software mixed. Like a IoT device which sends data to some website. Like health monitoring systems. That type of stuff. Okay. Yeah, similar to that. My recent idea was a fitness band for patients in hospital. I'll explain that. A fitness band for patients in hospital, and it will have some sensors. It will check, monitor health, and it will alert the hospital staff if something goes wrong. Like whole purpose was that imagine I'm a patient and it's 3 a.m. in night, midnight. That's why, but I already have some. Okay, so I've seen. I'm from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, and I'm in third year of engineering, electronics, and telecommunication. Okay, so what I was saying is the idea of our hackathon. So I was thinking, idea was building a this thing, not really Omnitrix, a fitness band for patients in hospital. Like imagine a hospital with hundreds of beds, general ward, and you give them band, and the fitness band is connected to a server, and it continuously sends data, body temperature, pulse rate, or whatever IMP data, oximeter type stuff. And if something goes wrong with that patient, like I'm the patient, it's 3 a.m. at night, the hospital staff is sleeping. They don't really sleep, but still, bro, they are chill. I've been to hospital 2 or 4 times. I was admit. So yeah, something goes wrong with me. I'm a serious patient. It will alert the hospital staff. It will alert the doctor. Also, along with this, doctors can monitor patient live on a monitor. Like it doesn't mean that, bro, मैंने same idea present किया था बस उसकी जगह senior citizen. Yeah. So what was the response from the judges? They said there are already some. Yeah, there are already this system is present in hospitals. Guys, first visit hospital and it out. You don't even know what's going on in. Yeah, so then we told that there are ventilators and all big fat as machines, not a tiny fitness band. And also the hospital staff will keep looking at their phone. Already Apple Watch is what you do different. Bro, instead of criticizing your project, criticizing is healthy. Criticizing your work, they just give it hate. They don't point out what's wrong with it, what's wrong with your innovation. They will like it's already happening and what are you doing this? Not even a thing. Like it's really demotivating, bro. I have been to many competitions and all, and I hate all these project exhibitions, idea idea presentation competition, because it all depends on judges knowledge. Like if I'm a judge, I don't know anything about websites and all. I don't know anything about data science, and some guy comes with something related to data analysis and all that stuff. I don't know shit about that, and I judged his project. It's about data science. I'm a teacher from mechanical. I don't know anything about data analysis, all that kind of stuff, and I'm judging his project. bro, I have no right. If I'm not like specialized in that thing, I have no right to judge his but in reality it's some teacher from chemical is judging CSE project, some random guy from chemical civil, they are judging IoT mechatronics project. So I like all these matches, robo soccer, robo race, but again there are a lot of, that's a difference. So that was my idea, like fitness band, and also they said that you are giving all live data, like you are monitoring and giving sending all this data to hospital staff smartphone, then they will be watching that smartphone instead of taking care of the patient. I was like, that's common sense, ma'am. For emergency cases, it's for doctors to monitor. Like I'm a doctor, I'm a like that one doctor in hospital, and I'm in my cabin and I have a big monitor in front of me with bed number and that patient's health condition, and I can, while all that, while handling the patient, I can just add that okay, everything is cool, and if something goes wrong, and just like it will be notified to that doctor. I can just, and I can decide if something is wrong, and it doesn't mean that I not go there to meet the patient and I won't check them myself. Okay, what you are saying, judges need to understand college students new innovation ला सकते हैं प्रेजेंट करने के लिए, एग्जीक्यूट करते होते. हाँ वही तो, आई एम थिंकिंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट होम टू ऑल चेक एक्टिविटी ऑफ CCTV. Hmm, I built a mini project for my friend. The idea was all that gyroscope and all along with ESP32 fall detection system for patients with paralysis patients. Yeah, these guys expect that like we will innovate something new or discover something new for their 100 marks or 50 marks, which don't even matter that much. Yeah, I get their like intention, people should innovate and all, but still, if I invent something, I'm not presenting it anywhere. I'll just copyright it, I'll try to patent it, I will ask my teachers that sir, I want to patent it, how do I will take help from my college and all, but I won't present it anywhere because there are 100 people watching me and they are also my competitors. So I don't get these hackathons and all that kind of stuff. Let's get back to this. Okay, right now I need to use my glue gun. By the way, in which year you are studying? HET experiment. How do I pronounce it? HET or it? तो प्राइस दे के उसका आइडिया चोरी करो या उसको प्राइस दो, या फिर ऐसा भी हो सकता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि 100 टीम्स है, अगर देर आर 100 टीम्स and there are only 3 winners, it doesn't mean that other 97 are not that good. Back from dinner, welcome back bro. What I was saying is, imagine if there are like 100 teams and they choose 3 winners, it doesn't mean that there are 97 people, 97 projects that are not good, not innovative or new. So it's all on those judges, bro. I don't really don't. It was some competition in some college. Me and my friends went there with the exoskeleton. There was some dumb ideas projects, and I was with my exoskeleton project. Like if I do this, my robot do this, and that Judge laughed at me, bro. I don't even. You can criticize my project. He just smiled, laughed, and he wasn't even pointing out what's wrong with our project. He just went. And hello, Codex Pawan. Well, also the thing, that's how villains born. Yeah, I've been in my villain arc for a long time, but again, I made a Valentine's Day. I got back to my main characters. Out. I think you guys haven't seen my hoodie. Maybe you have seen my hoodie. I designed my custom hoodie. Uh, it's not that good, but still, I like to design my own. The spelling is wrong here. There is spelling mistake. I wanted to print real geek rockstar, but mistakenly I printed real geek rookstar. Forgot about C. Not me. Did this. I'm very like this type of passion, like own aesthetics, not a pressure and all that type of stuff. Like someone is wearing Crocs, everyone is wearing. Oh, I hate that. I personally hate that. Not like not judging anyone. I like own stuff. I have a jacket. I printed a lot of things on that jacket and I wear that. I would and wear it to college. Not every day, but most of the times, and it feels of your own. You're wearing your identity, bro. I'm thinking of printing some more things, these and all similar stuff. So it feels so weird that I'm back at streaming after like month. This is my old glue gun. Get back to regular content creation. It feels amazing. And when I don't do anything, I feel so empty. Roasting Crocs was relatable. Nah, for real, bro. I see last 3 or 4 years, everyone just wear Crocs. People spending like 3,000 on Crocs. Some people wearing fake Crocs. I hate Crocs. And some people wearing flip flop to college. Like it might be cool. It's just everyone's choice, bro. But I don't like my personal. Take it personally if you are a Crocs fan. Everyone wearing oversized. Yeah, I wear oversized, but uh, not that typical. If I like, then I don't check if it's oversized or not. Bro, people who used to wear skinny jeans back in 2018, 2017, they are roasting skinny jeans. Now they wear baggy, and now they are roasting. But if you check Facebook post of them 4 years ago, they used to flex this. Like I hate skinny, but why don't you guys wear just normal, like not normal, but slim fit clothes? Okay, now tell me what should we do with this? I think I should remove because the glue isn't that tilted. What should we build? You guys know about the components I have. Don't know, I'll tell you. We have ESP32 8266 Wemos D1 Mini. It's almost same. Arduinos, uh, a lot of sensors, gas sensors, LDR, IR sensors, ultrasonic sensors. Have AI thinker voice module, motor drivers, servo motors, buzzer. Can you control this using your controller which you made? Yes. For that I have something on. Take this. If you want, we can just fix this. I think I need to upload code again. Oh, I forgot I lost. Which is really fucked up. I think I have that code. You. Okay, let's fix. Okay, if you guys don't know, I'm building building a bot. I just need hype for that bot. I want a lot of people to watch me build. Stream chat control bot. Like, you guys will be able to control that robot. Hello, throttle bot, bro. Hello, hello. Okay, so I used a Python script, and you guys will message something like forward, backward, dance. I have the code ready here. These are the commands. Control is on you. I'll just see. And what are you making right now? Random, bro. And you guys will be able to control, and it will speak and all. Like, there are a lot of functions for audience. Will be fun. I want you. Will be total. Okay, this bot. My RC control batteries. Okay, this is our. You guys know each other. That's cool. Okay, we have a community on Instagram. Wait, I'll share that. You guys want proper people like you and me. Copied the invitation link. I will put that link in description. Can you please check the description? Give me a minute. There is a community of creators or hobbyist. Paste that link in my description and please join that. It will be fun. I'll pin that also. Okay, guys. Uh, Go to Instagram and pinned it. I have lithium-ion batteries. Check if they are charged or joined. There are some cool people. They are very talented. They don't stream or like crazy engineers. They low here. I need to change the battery. Okay, it's working. Something is wrong with motors of this bot antenna. The antenna. I think I seen Dolly Chai wala here. I'm not sure about torque. These are pure motors 200 RPM. अब मैं तमाशा करूंगा पार्टी ने दिया भाई किस बात की पार्टी 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 देने लायक कुछ हुआ ही नहीं डाउनफॉल चालू है मेरा लास्ट 7-8 सालों से पार्टी देने लायक कुछ होगा तो ज़रूर लाइक हिटिंग 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स सब लोगों के लिए सिर्फ न्यू फ़ोन के लिए पार्टी ये है मेरा फ़ोन और इसका कवर देख के आप लोग समझ सकते हैं ये कितना पुराना है इट्स वेरी ओल्ड वन प्लस और आईफोन तो नहीं लिया ब्रो आदमी हूँ हाँ मतलब लालच बुरी वाला है ब्रो मुझे गिववेज एंड पार्टी देनी है गिववेज तो मुझे करने हैं आई वांट गिव बैक टू कम्युनिटी बट फर्स्ट लेट मी अर्न सम at least not from my YouTube but with some freelance projects. I'm doing some okay plus आहे तो टेक्नो oh buying this thing the screen was flickering and all around 1 year ago. About torque of those motors. Bluetooth control car बनवतोय का not really Bluetooth that my old one bought Okay, so what we are doing is we'll calculate torque of these motors. So I bought this PO motor, 200 RPM. First, okay, first we will check torque of each motor. Hmm, 200 RPM. Specifications: torque 0.55 kg torque. All torque output. सात वोल्ट पे कितना टॉर्क देगा? As I am discussing with my team, we are also preparing for SIH. Okay, torque. Usually 6 volt, 200, 6 volt. RPM बढ़ जाएगा, टॉर्क बढ़ जाएगा. Okay, what, what about 6 volts? Hmm, total power will be around 0.287 watt. What if I stop this? 1 cup चाय प्लीज. SIH प्लॅनिंग करतोय का? Yes. They say they need at least one female. I got females. No, I have females in my group. Multiple females in my group. They are really good. Okay, let's do this math. I'll assume your motor specs 6. Result approx. Okay, let's get to the bottom. Realistically, 150 to 300 gram of payload for comfortable. तो आई थिंक इसके ऊपर मैं अभी एक 200 ग्राम तक रख सकता हूँ. लेट्स ट्राई एडिंग दिस मोटर्स. Yo, anyone in the chat, are you preparing for SIH Smart India Hackathon? Okay, I have let's try to build a playground here. आमची फिमेल लीडरचा ग्रॅज्युएशन झाले. नाव शी इज स्टडिंग इन युनिव्हर्सिटी डायरेक्ट. वी आर मिसिंग अवर लीडर. फाइंड न्यू वन ब्रो, or be a leader. Why to be a member when you can be a leader? Hardest quote. Top 10 hardest quotes in live stream. Top 10 hardest quotes by streamers. Teams पाहिले, SH होय पाहिले. एवढं अजून जास्त लक्ष, but I have seen. Guys, anyone need female? Are you struggling for female in SIH, for SIH team? I think adding like Making compulsory one female is strategy why education, what we call that, education department, India's education department or SIH, because they know that uh, why female needed for in hackathons, just to feel cool. I don't know. Because it will, adding a female, it will help boys to give their 100%. That's why. Okay, so for SIs there is a requirement of one female. It's compulsory for each and every team. They say female do good bar. Yeah, I feel like it's a strategy, planned strategy by SIH organizers or whatever the education sector is, and they do it purposely because they know that engineering students don't really get enough female interaction. So they added this thing, like if you are doing like if you are joining this sorry, if you are going to compete in SIH, you should have one female. So I see my friends, bro. Wait, I don't know if I should do this or not. Let me show you something what I did last year for my friend. He was searching for a female. Listen this audio file, like audio recording I sent to of my friend. It was last August 2024, I guess. Yeah, August 2024. If you guys know Marathi, then you will understand this. I'll explain it. Problem. It's fun to search females for your hackathon team. Wait, just give me a second and I'll write one. पाहिजे आहे हॅकॅथॉन साठी. You guys heard it? Pure Marathi. Then they say equality और company investment जाए बाहर में. हम feminism को बढ़ावा, bro. I support this decision. I think they should make two females at least in one group. Yeah, or it should be like group of females and they need at least one boy in it. Yeah, that's even better. It should be like if you are doing, if you are participating in hackathon, there should be mm, five girls and one guy. Hear this out. मुलगी पाहिजे आहे हॅकॅथॉन साठी. This is me searching a female partner for my friend. I'm not taking. And my feed is full of such reels that like asking out a girl for this and that, searching for a female partner. So what I was saying is, this is my room and I was thinking to build a playground and we will play with this bot, this controller. It's not working. I don't know what's wrong with it. So it's not working. In. Yeah, it's working. Soon that is going to happen. Yeah. Organizers of SIH. It's my wait. Let me do a proper request. I'll use ChatGPT. Let's do this. Okay, if you are expecting from me that I will teach you some DIY stuff, bro, this channel you are on a wrong channel. I just do stupid stuff on. Okay, so I want to write a letter to IH hackathon. It will help engineering students to develop, help engineering students to interact with email instead of Gmail human. Will help them to develop write a detailed letter. Okay, let's see. Request should be felt like real stuff. Hmm. Subject: Suggestion for gender diversity in SIH hackathon teams. Respected organizing committee, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to share a suggestion regarding team composition for the Smart India Hackathon SIH. Engineering students often get limited opportunities to collaborate with peers of different genders during their academic journey. If SIH could encourage a team structure of five female members and one male member per team, it would help in creating a more inclusive and balanced environment. This approach will not only promote gender diversity but also enhance interpersonal communication, confidence, and teamwork skills among participants. Such an initiative will ensure the students gain experience in interacting and collaborating with individuals beyond their usual circle, thereby contributing to their overall personality. I believe this step will strengthen SIH's role in shaping well-rounded engineers who are not only technically skilled but also socially confident. Sincerely, okay. I think I should send mail or something like that. What do you think? Should I post it on story or somewhere? Uh, email. Okay. Or we can email, but I don't know. Can you guys find email for like SIH organizer? Okay, the subject. Okay, so subject: Suggestion for team composition in SIH. Respected organizing committee, I wish to suggest a small change in team composition for SIH. If each team could have five female members and one male member, it would create an environment where engineering students learn to interact, collaborate, and grow with female peers. Beyond the digital world, where the most conversation today happen only through screens, this simple step can nurture nurture confidence, improve communication, and shape personalities along with technical skills. I think we need something extra in it, like related to female interaction. Yo, suggest something here. Engineering students interact more with Gmails than females. It sounds corny, but yeah, you can suggest some better stuff. Okay, let's go. 5 1. Okay, our letter is ready, I think. Check this out. So the subject is subject suggestion for team composition in SIH. Respected organizing committee, I wish to propose a small change in team structure for SIH. If each nah, again I fumbled it. I want to put it on story, bro. Let's go. Subject suggestion for team composition in SIH. Respected organizing committee, I wish to propose a small change in team structure for SIH. If each team could consist of 5 female members and 1 male member, it would create a healthier balance, encourage genuine collaboration. Today, most engineering students interact more with Gmails than females. This lack of real interaction often limits personality growth. By ensuring stronger female participation, students will not only sharpen their technical skills but also develop confidence, communication, and the ability to work comfortably in diverse teams. This step, though simple, can greatly shape students into more open, confident, socially aware individuals, which is just as important as technical expertise. I think this is right. Let's find email. Get Gmail. Yo, should we do this? Should we compose email? Uh, let's try. I'll copy this and I will use another account. I can't do this thing here. Mail. Yo yo yo. Two. SIH. All that. Yo. Subject. Your subject. So add something. Okay, I'll do some changes in it. That is interesting. Okay. Okay, check this out. This is mail for, I don't know if it's really mail to SIH India organization. Okay, so this is mail for SIH organization team, that respected organizing committee. I would like to suggest a small but impactful change in team structure for SIH. If each team could consist of a 5 female members and 1 male member, it would help address the very real shortage of baddies interaction that engineering students face. Today, most of us spend more time interacting with Gmail than females, which limits our personality development. Encouraging such balanced participation will not only empower female engineers but also male students learn confidence, communication, collaboration in more inclusive environment. This simple step can nurture well-rounded individuals who are both technically sharp and socially confident. Okay, I think I should remove the baddie thing because I don't know if I might get in trouble. Okay, I'll remove the baddie. Shortage of female engineer. Okay, that's it. Name. I don't think I'm going. My Insta ID. That's it. Asterix is my Insta ID, private account. Should I send this? Should I send this? I'll read it again. You think you can add some extra or make it more cool? Bro, position. Okay, to SIH India organization, respected organizing committee, I would like to suggest a small but impactful change in team structure for SIH. If each team could consist of 5 female members and 1 male member, it would help address the very shortage of fellow female engineers interaction that engineering students face. Today, most of us spend more time interacting with Gmails than with females, which limits our personality development. Encouraging such balanced participation will not only empower the female engineers but also help male students learn confidence, communication, and collaboration in more inclusive environment. This simple step can nurture well-rounded individuals who are both technically sharp and socially confident. Thank you for considering this idea. Your sincere asterisk. Okay, let's go. Three, two, one. I'm sending this mail. Send. What are you making? I'm not making anything. I just sent a mail to SIH that this is my second mail. You can mail some if you want anything. Okay, so check this out. This is a mail to SIH organization committee about changing the team structure of SIH hackathons. Like do it like female members and 1 male member. What do you think about this? I'm doing stupid stuff right here. I might get in trouble for it. I don't know. Okay, let's get back to building our bot. That's a fun part. I'm waiting for the response though. I don't know if I will get response about this team structure, but still I'm expecting. Yo, if you are watching this, make sure to hit like and subscribe. I have done a lot of stupid things today. So this is your bot, and I was thinking of building a playground. Again, it's not working. I don't know what's wrong with it. Yeah, we back. The bot is working. But I was thinking, what's the range? Have you tested NRF? Okay, the maximum I got is 200 meters. Yo, I just checked that I got 172 views for this stream, and there are no subscribers. So make sure you hit like and subscribe. I'll do better in next stream. Something is wrong with the receiver side, I guess. I don't know if it's my NRF module or what. It's not continuous. Generally, what is the latency? Okay, I'm not sure because I built this thing around January. But the thing is, there was very laggy communication between these two. And I tried it in an urban area. It wasn't that urban, in my college campus around some Wi-Fi networks. But I have detailed response about it. Where I explained this, how I got this range and all on my LinkedIn. Give me a minute and I will explain it. Okay, so I tested in an open but urban area. It was maximum 200 meter, but there were some issues. But as per the datasheet and internet, it can give. Okay. I used NRF 24L01 with PALNA along with an external antenna. I'm running it at 1 Mbps, 250 kbps data rate instead of 2 Mbps at and at high power mode, which gives much better stability in crowded RF environments. Also, I'm using NRF 24 adapter. Still, it wasn't fully perfect. Despite this optimization, I do face occasional minor signal drops, which is expected in urban areas with heavy 2.4 GHz interface. But overall, it works reliable for my use case. I use this for controlling my Robo Soccer, Robo Race bots, and it was pretty cool. Not that good like FSI6 or FSI6 or that type of big RC controllers, but it was cool. Okay, but what's wrong with it now? I have to receive. It's working. After some stops working. I think there is lag in my stream too. Yo, stopped working, I guess. Yeah, doing pretty well. Okay, that's cool. So what we started with was that bot. I was thinking to use these motors with this chassis, and I was asking you guys for some suggestions. Like, what should we do extra here? What else we can do? Like, suggest me some stuff, bro. What else we can do here? I mean, along with, we can do, I have ESP32 cam. I have then, yeah, ESP32 cam. I have some sensors. Yeah, I was saying we will control it using gesture control robot using MPU 6050, but we'll do some extra here. But I'm not sure what to do extra, bro. Suggest me some stuff. And make sure you hit like and subscribe. Why the fuck I'm wearing headphones while I'm not listening? I'll just cut off the extra part here. Here we can tail holder, ESP, ESP32, driver, L298N. Where is that motor driver that we over? Oh, I think I lost the motor. The motor. Let me know. I have ESP32 cam. Can we use that? If you guys know about Zozo, what I will do is I'll use display with it. Display, speaker, OLED display, speaker, and oh, what is Zozo? Have you seen Zozo video? I'll just play it on my YouTube instead of showing you. You will understand. I hope you will understand. Yo, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I do such streams. I build some random stuff like robots and all. You might like it, so hit like and subscribe. Wait. Okay, watch this. This is me. I posted it on my story. This is Zozo, a desktop companion. Okay, so first of all, ignore my goopy ass haircut and let's talk about this. So this is Zozo, a desktop companion bot. What is a desktop companion bot? Check this out. A companion bot or AI companion is a software based. So basically, it's a robot as your companion. It will cure your lonely, depressed ass, and it will help you get out of that zone and entertain and a lot of things. So what's new in my bot? I have added some extra features in it, like a lot of extra features. You can display GIFs and images, GIFs, and most importantly, connectivity feature. So here's the Telegram bot I have created, and your loved ones can send you messages, images, and GIFs, all type of that type of stuff, and it will display here. So it's fun. You will ask me why not just use Telegram or any social media app? Because it's fun, and I made this. So I'm working on 3D body and all that kind of stuff, PCB. I'll explain that in okay. So Zozo is my creation. Show you. This is Zozo, a desktop companion bot. It has a communication system, like your loved ones can send you messages. Suppose you are in a corporate world, you are working on your desk, and you are in long distance relationship or something like that. Your partner sends you some GIF photos or messages. It will display here, and along with this, it has ideal mode where it shows time, facial expressions, different facial expressions, random quotes, pickup lines, or some pre-saved texts, and messages from your loved ones, GIFs. So these are the features, and I want to work on it. I want to add some extra features. You guys have any suggestion? Right now, it has messages. Oh, okay, right now the bot is online, and if I send a message, and I am working on 3D body and all as it bot is, and here I got message about like the bot is online, and I say love you. Yeah, that's it. And I send love you just like by command stars will rain stars, like star fall, rain of stars, and command sleepy, then the sleepy emoji. Wait, I have added a 15-second delay to it. Now it will work. I just sent sleepy. Okay, now the sleepy animation. So that's how it works. Can you play Flappy Bird? Yeah, I'm planning to add Flappy Bird. I'm planning to add touch sensor to it and some interactive features. I want to make it more along with the added some features like love rain. Now it rains uh, that love symbol. Guys, please don't copy it. I'm trying to sell this as a product and I'm working on it. I'm going to copyright it. If some creator is watching, we can collaborate. Then I have some images in it. It's not that like difficult or something like that. It's just the idea. Yo Chan, I hope you image Iron Man 2, Naruto. Even though I don't watch anime, I made this for sky blue and pink combo. Yeah, I'm planning to save pairs. Forgot the command for it. So I'm planning to pair of two. I'm planning. I'm already doing it. I gave this, and they are using it and going pretty well. Can say that I'm using Naruto. Spelling is correct, bro. Should display Naruto here. Let's try again. Wrong. Maybe I deleted Naruto. Let's try another one. Hello Kitty. Say hello. Okay, something is going. So what? Maybe. Ah. Oh, I remember. I removed. Upload the code again. Wait, I'll just upload. We'll see. It took a lot of time for me to build this thing. So I started working on never give up. So and stuff like this, moods and all. Like I just say angry, display angry. Hello, Priyam, Priyam or okay, I'm uploading the code. Started already. Yo, make sure you hit like and subscribe, bro. And I think there is a delay in like lag in stream. I'm not sure. I'll fix that in my next stream. Uploading is still going on. I have created on my own set of facial expressions. Not that like not that good, but still it's cool. It shows time and what is online. Dude, wait, I'm waiting for the notification here. Notification about bot status of the bot. I just got the notification. I say what I was trying to do. Hello Kitty. Okay, so I just sent command for, as you can see it, I don't know. I have some GIFs else I have. This is Kakashi. Okay, first of all I want to clarify that I don't watch anime, but all my friend group they watch. I had to. Audience bro. I have Iron Man 2 Spider. There's some pickup lines. Is Spider from Spider-Man. Up with the get back. I just sent command is brain. Suggest me some more features. If I send normal messages like hello, displays time right now. Now it says hello. So guys, please suggest me some extra features to add in it. Stop adding games. Flappy Bird game. Then what else we have? Touch. I will add touch sensor. A Flappy Bird game. Suggest me some more stuff, bro. I want to make it like never before. Hello, good night. I think I should get back to working on team controlled robot, which I was talking from long ago. A robot controlled by live stream viewers. It means you guys can control. Here is the code, and I want to. No, this is not code. I desperately want to build that robot, but I'm not getting enough time for that. This is the code. Not that hard, but it's a bit longer. And if you talk about the Zozo board, Zozo's code, the Zozo code, it's around 1800 lines of code, which is mostly bitmap, so it's not that deep. Okay, so do you have any suggestions to do with like what should we do? Some comment. Oh, make sure to like subscribe to my. Yo. Okay, guys, I think that is it for today. It's been more than 2 hours I'm streaming. We'll stream tomorrow from tomorrow morning to tomorrow night. I'm thinking of 10-hour stream. I can't do 24-hour stream right now, but can do at least 10 hours where I'll build a full complete 10 hour. Okay, I think it's not a good for robot chess. When this surface is uneven, and I connected mode, they are not on the same level. I should not better use different board or something like that. I need to get a mm, 3D printer first. Okay, so that is it for today, guys. It's been a long time. I haven't streamed. I'm streaming after like 3 weeks. So bye bye. I'll get back here tomorrow morning.